Hey guys, this is Saurabh Hor and today I'm going to tell you how you can boost your internet speed. Now, talking about internet speed, many people get confused with the terms Mbps and Kbps. Many people complain about their speeds and the actual download speeds that they are getting. But most of them do not know that whatever plan that they are subscribing for gets divided into 8 parts. So let's say that you have a plan of 1 Mbps, that is 1024 kbps. You're going to get the maximum download speed of 128 kbps. If you just divide 1024 by 8, you will get 128 kbps. Now you know that why your speed is 125 to 128 kbps even you have purchased the plan of 1 mbps. So there is a small difference between B used in kbps or maybe mbps. Now talking about what might be affecting your internet speed. First of all, when you get the broadband internet plan, we have to consider several factors like what router you are using, or maybe the DNS service, or maybe the Windows updates, and the number of devices connected to your internet. Then there are several software parts like the browser add-ons, and maybe there are chances that your drivers of the network adapters are outdated. So we will see all these points one by one. So now talking about the internet plans first. So you are subscribing to the 1 Mbps plan, and I have told you that this 1 Mbps plan, that is of 1024 kbps, will get divided into 8 equal parts, and that 1/8 part of this particular bandwidth is useful for downloading purpose. So you are getting 1 Mbps for browsing only, and for download purpose you are getting 1/8 of that bandwidth. So what are the factors that might be affecting your internet speed? First of all, your router. If you have chosen the cheaper router, that router will only broadcast your internet connection, but its software and the firmware is not capable to handle the packets coming from your devices, multiple devices that might be connected to your router, and that way it is unable to handle all those packets properly, and that's why your router may be underperforming. But Wi-Fi routers coming from manufacturers like Cisco, Netgear has intelligent software, and they can manage the traffic very intelligently and very smartly. They can differ different types of packets, and they can provide you the excellent service. So that way you can actually boost your internet speed by upgrading to a good router with a good software. If you're using ISP's own default DNS service, then the chances are your internet is pretty much slower. But if you use a third-party DNS services like Cloudflare, OpenDNS, these services has their DNS resolvers all over the world, and the chances are you are just located nearest to their DNS resolver. So your DNS queries will get resolved very quickly. Also, these DNS servers gets updated millions of times in a second. So you're getting the relevant information, you're getting the privacy and security of your data. If you're using Cloudflare, they delete all the logs within 24 hours. The third most important thing which might be affecting your internet speed is the browser add-ons that you have installed. Many softwares install the add-ons without your knowledge. The chances are there are lots of add-ons running in the background and which is fetching some data online. This is just consuming your bandwidth and it's just bogging down your internet. So keep an eye on all the installed add-ons on your browser, and if you find that there are several add-ons that you do not use actively, please disable them or uninstall them straight away. The next most important thing that might be affecting your internet speed is Windows updates. Windows updates made it mandatory in Windows 10, and also without their knowledge, the Windows updates gets downloaded in the background. So if you're facing some slowdown, Windows updates may be running in the background. The last important factor that might be causing the slowdown in your internet speed is outdated driver software. Driver softwares are the medium through which the OS and the driver, the hardware which is installed on your system, communicate to each other. So these driver softwares, if they are not updated, if they are not supporting the modern standards, the chances are you're getting slower speeds. So if there are any modern standard released and your router is supporting that standard but your PC is not, so that way the chances are you're getting slower speeds on your laptop or the devices that has these outdated software. So update your drivers, update all the software. If you are on the slower network already, so you can set your Windows 10 network profile as the metered connection. Metered connection would stop all the background internet activities including Windows updates. So that way you can prevent yourself from getting slower internet speeds while you're working or maybe streaming some media. Hope you like this video. If you have any other tips or maybe tricks to boost your internet speed, you can comment in the section below. Press hit like button if you like this video and do subscribe to our channel to get more such videos. Thank you.